How to recover Temu account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To recover your Temu account, launch your Temu application. In here in the sign in section, tap on Trouble signing in. In this, you can tap on Reset your password. Enter the email address that you currently have access to, then tap on Submit. Now it will send you a 6-digit code. So you have to enter the 6-digit code in this given box. For that, exit from here and open up your Gmail. Here is the 6-digit code. Just copy the given code. Now, once it is successfully copied, open up your Temu, then paste the code right here in this box. Now all you have to do is recreate a new password. Then just tap on the Submit button given to you. Once it is successfully submitted, you'll be able to log into your account. You can tap on the Save icon to save your password in your Google so you never miss out any of your credential. And that is how you can easily recover your Temu account. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.